The company named NYSL supplies the product XFeet. Created by Nicolas and Yuri Saint-Lô, respectively podiatrist and company manager in IT for 25 years, they've allied their competencies and expertise, proposing the service XFeet, a collaborative platform of 3D printing of orthopedic insoles. It's a complete workflow which intakes a 3D scanner, intuitive online platform, 3D printing by ER Pro, finishing and delivery to the customer. Arkema's products, biosourced and eco-sustainable, present innovative mechanical specifications at a very high quality. It permits to XFeet to propose to podiatrists and patients a definitive added value, a disruptive solution to serial products, previous generation shipping ways. The company NYSL develops a platform of expertise in e-health at an international scale, able to distribute top-range products, personalized, personified, customizable, and endless reproducible.